2012 Ford Mustang, how to change cabin filter. So this is the front of the vehicle. You got the hood already up, and you go exactly where the battery at. This is the passenger side. So you can see here's your battery. And now you see these two little screws right here. All right, so they're already pre-loose. So all you have to do, remove these little screws. Once you remove those, and you separate that, and this is your cabin filter. Now, do not throw this out. Okay, this is the filter. This is you remove it just like so. Okay, so we're gonna get the new one before we already removed that, but before we throw that away, so I'm gonna show you how to place the new one. Before I insert the new filter through that, I'm gonna go ahead and clean that a little bit. By doing so, you just get a rag and go around and around, remove the dirt out of there, and that should do it. And just place it just like so. And the way it goes, make sure everything is clean. So you gotta do it just like so. And again is start having this corner right here, in the angle. Make it easy on you. And you're gonna have to force it just a little bit. Once you do that, the whole thing's in. Now, I don't know if you can see it in there. So that little top, see it right there? Now this is where you push the top. Alright. You push that top right there. And then you see the little two groove right there. You gotta push the top. You gotta push the top of the filter housing back so the clip can clip to there. Once you're able to get the whole thing in there through the housing, and there you go. That's the filter. All right, that's the cabin filter. Okay. Now, once you get it in there, this is the filter housing. Then this top, this little lip right here, you gotta push the filter back and then clip. Once it clip, it's in place. Okay. But you're gonna have to work your way around it as far as place it back. Remove it is not a too much, but place it back it's just a little bit um, work, but not too much. All right. Then after you're done, just go ahead place your screws, and you're done. And that's all it takes.